There was a boy from a small village. People often said to him, "You will never succeed." He had no money, no support. But he had belief. Every day, he failed. Every day, people laughed. But he kept working in silence. One day, his hard work paid off. The same people who doubted him started sharing his success story. This story teaches us one thing. Your situation does not define you, your determination does. If today is hard, tomorrow will be successful. Backhand index pointing right. Never give up. Keep moving forward.